Hi, good day. My name is Daniel Flores. I am the Business Development Manager for Data Acquisition and Industrial Computers. This time we'll see an unboxing for a panel PC. This one is the TPC DCM. This is a 10.4 inches display with a Celeron processor. This is protected with some plastic on the sides for the transportation. As I mentioned, this is a panel PC with a display of 10.4 inches in diagonal, and we have IP65 protection in the front, and this is a flat display. Well, the mounting is panel mounting. We have the O-ring over here, so if you mount it on a panel, the O-ring will help you protect it against the dust and the water, be fully sealed. And we also have VESA mounting. As you can see, we have the screw holes for 75 and for 100 for VESA mounting. And so, what is the panel PC? The panel PC is the monitor and the computer integrated in just one equipment, right? So, the computer comes with a Celeron processor. That's the biggest processor that we can have with this model of panel PC. This is slim, as you can see. We have another models that are bigger. We're gonna show you another models in other videos. And what we have, the EOS for this panel PC, is we have one serial COM over here, and we have also a microphone input, a line output for audio, and we also have 4 USB ports. 2 of these are 3.0, 2 are 2.0 for USB. We have 2 Ethernet LAN ports that are gigabit. We have also an HDMI output for video, so we can have the video from the display, and also we have HDMI for another display, another monitor. So we have the power input for the power supply. This is for screw terminals, and there's the button to power it up. So this is the 10.4 inches panel PC with Celeron processor. In this one we can have up to 8 gigabytes of RAM, and we can have 1 slot for MSATA storage. So you can have from 32 gigabytes of storage up to 1 terabyte of storage in an MSATA disk. We have power for the AC. We have the screw terminals for the power supply. We have the power supply that is included. So this one will output 12 volts DC to power up the panel PC. And we have the screws, the brackets to secure the panel PC on the panel, right? So that's what's inside of the unboxing of this panel PC.